Hello 3D printing friends. Hey, the other day I got something cool in the mail. It was the Alien3D UFO box. This is the November edition with the Thanksgiving artwork on the box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm Brian and you are watching BV3D. Okay, let's get into this box and see what we've got. Here is the Alien3D Trifold, the November 2018 UFO. We are thankified. Materials contained within are for empowering turkeys, not responsible for food fights or loss of eyes due to flying cranberries and corn kernels. You have been warned. Okay, so it looks like this month we have some filament from Filamentum, some PLA Extra Fill Gold Happens. I've seen that being printed with on Twitter. That is good stuff. We have some Make Shaper Crimson PLA, some HQA Pink PLA, and we have some KVP Pearl Sparkle Copper, PETG. That sounds cool. I like copper filament. Oh, we have the community print going on from Murph. This is the 12-foot high Alien3D mascot. You can go and download parts for that from alien3d.us/Murph2019. That is a cool thing. I've got 2 parts printed out already. I need to get those sent in, but I need to print some more as well. Looks like our accessory for the month is the Repcord nozzle cleaning kit. Looks like it's got 10 different tool sizes, so that's good. There's been times when I've had stuff jammed in a nozzle, and being able to give it a good poke would be a good thing. Looks like the mothership box would contain the Polymaker Poly Box, which is a filament dryer. I saw that got claimed on Twitter, so I already know that's not in this box at all, which makes me sad, but it is what it is. So, this month is a month of giving thanks, and I know I said it every month, but I really cannot thank you enough for being a subscriber and believing in me enough to provide you something that you find fun and useful. This upcoming Thanksgiving, the greatest thing I will be thankful for is you. These themed boxes have really been fun to come up with and design. The shares and responses you've been posting on YouTube and Twitter have been blowing my mind. It excites me and inspires me to continue pushing myself to see what I can come up with next for you. Holiday seasons can be a joyous occasion, but for some it can also be a downer. I want you all to know, good or bad, I'm always here for you as well as the community. Feel free to DM me on Twitter or message me on Discord, and if you really need to talk, I'll be happy to share my number with you. Have a great holiday and 3D print the world. Josh, Alien3D. Well, dude, this is awesome. Here's this month's bonus project. I kind of struggled this month figuring out a bonus project that would involve Thanksgiving. What I came up with is a 3D printed turkey shell to go over the included part of a digital cooking countdown timer. And while it may not be the best of projects, I really hope that you and your family find it useful. And there's a link to the files. Invasion of the Turkey Snatchers. Gobble gobble. All right, well, now that we've looked at the trifold, let's take a look at some of the cool stuff inside. We've got a little flyer from Filament One, showcasing some of the stuff that they've got. They've got filament, resin, and upgrades. Looks like they sell Bondtech. That's good. Ooh, got a Make Shaper sticker. That's a nice, thick, heavy sticker. Here is the Make Shaper Crimson PLA. That looks nice. I'll have to give that a print. Oh, wow. The HQA Pink PLA. That's like bubblegum pink. That's nice. Here is the Filamentum Gold Happens. That's nice. I want to give that a print as well. There's the timer for the project. There's the Keene Village Plastics Pearl Sparkle Copper. I like that. I like that. That's nice. Got some Sour Patch Pumpkins. I don't know if these are gummy or not, but I will give these a nibble. What else do we have? We've got our accessory. This is our Repcord 10-piece nozzle cleaning kit. Awesome. Well, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. I'm going to start parking these back inside the box, and we'll do some prints with these later. I noticed the box is bigger this month, physically larger. that accommodates the filament better. I think they were having a problem with some of the filament being crushed in the boxes and people receiving it broken. Well, that's not good. So this is good, and I'll have to take a look at the files for that and give that a print. Let's get this closed up. Awesome. So another month, another Alien3D UFO box. You know, in my opinion, these boxes are a great value. For the $30 a month subscription fee, you get 4 20-meter filament samples, and they're usually really interesting filament. I'm looking forward to printing in this copper pearl PETG. You get an accessory. This month it was the Ripcord nozzle cleaning kit. So if you have a clogged nozzle, you get a nozzle cleaner outer pokey thing to try and get the filament moving again. You get a project with parts. This month we've got the kitchen timer kind of thing to kind of go along with cooking Thanksgiving dinner. With that, you have downloadable project files. So you've got parts that you download and print, and then you assemble that along with the electronics that come with the kit. You get swag, stickers and stuff. We got a Make Shaper sticker this time around. And you get candy. So I've got some Sour Patch candies to try. It's cool. I mean, it gives you the ability to try some filaments that you might not have tried otherwise, so you can see if you like them or not. And it's kind of fun to get something in the mail every month that's you know, something to look forward to. Well, we're near the end of the episode, and this is where I say things like, subscribe, and share, because those 3 things really do help the channel. If you liked the episode, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, but either way, leave your thoughts down in the comments. If you'd like to support the channel with a one-time micropayment, you could buy me a coffee or leave a little something in the PayPal tip jar. Links for both are down in the description. I'd like to say thank you to all the people that have subscribed in the last week or so. If you haven't subscribed, you can do so by clicking the BB3D icon right over here and ring the bell to be notified when I release new videos. Oh, speaking of videos, here's one YouTube thinks you might enjoy. Well, now that I've got some fun new filament, I'm going to go print something cool. You print something cool too. I'll see you next time.